Here's the real reason most people will never get rich. And no, it's not laziness, it's by design. From the day you're born, you're trained to be an employee, not a boss. Go to school, follow rules, get a job, work for 40 years, but guess what? That system was never built to make you rich, it was built to make you reliable. Society doesn't want too many entrepreneurs. If everyone owned businesses and made millions, who would clean, serve, or build? That's why you're taught to fear risk, hate failure, and live for weekends. You were programmed to trade time for money, not build assets. And when someone around you tries to break free, start a business, invest, hustle, they get laughed at or told to be realistic. But the truth is, the poor stay poor because they copy each other. The rich get richer because they copy each other too, but it's a different blueprint. Change your mindset or you'll spend your life helping others get rich while you just survive. Follow for more real talk. And if you're ready to learn how to escape the system, subscribe to my YouTube channel